People think an artist's life ends where the drawing does. A pencil, a table, a portrait. That's the story they choose to see. But life refuses to stay inside one frame. Mine definitely doesn't.
I study hearts in textbooks and try to create them in charcoal. Two worlds that aren't supposed to mix, yet somehow they do. I am not the silent kid all the time. Sometimes I am the friend who cracks terrible jokes in the corridor. Sometimes I am just a girl trying to survive daily chores before the universe throws another assignment at my face.
I don't want a life where every day looks the same. I want a life where every version of me is allowed to grow, even the unfinished ones. And maybe that's the whole point. Art isn't my escape from reality. Art is just one big chapter, messier, louder story I'm still writing. So, here's the part of me you don't see on reels. The part that wants to film, experiment, shoot, build, rebuild. Not just draw faces, but leave one. This is my life beyond the canvas. Not polished, not aesthetic, but mine and still evolving.